Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 15. This is Section 3.4, Problem 15. It says multiply the given numbers. We have 1.66 times 0.05. So at first, just ignore all the decimals. Multiply 166 times 5, and then figure out where the decimal will go in your answer. So 5 times 6 is 30. Write the 0 for 30, carry the 3. 5 times the next 6 is 30 again, but now it's 30 plus the 3 more that you carried is 33. Write the 3, carry the other 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 more is 8. And now the other zeros really wouldn't change your answer. So really 5 times 166 would be 830. Now I can put the zeros, put the decimals back. So how many decimals after how many places after the decimal in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to have 4 places after the decimal in my answer. Well, I only have 3 digits showing, so I have to put in one more 0 to the left of the 8 so that I can have 4 places after the decimal. That 830 turns into 0.0830. So the first 0 before the decimal you don't have to write. That's kind of optional, but we can include it, 0.083. The last 0 to the right doesn't need to be written. We can just let that drop off. So 0.083 is the answer.